This August 19th, on behalf of President Obama and the American people, I want to congratulate the people of Afghanistan on 91 years of independence. This is an occasion to celebrate the freedom your nation achieved more than 9 decades ago, a proud moment in your long and rich history. It is also a chance to look to the future, a future that people across Afghanistan are working hard to build, in partnership with citizens from many nations, joined together in a shared vision of a secure, stable, and prosperous Afghanistan. I had the honor of visiting Afghanistan last month, the 5th visit I've made in my lifetime and my 2nd as Secretary of State. And every time I return, I'm reminded of the warmth of the Afghan people and the resilience that you show in the face of great challenges. I have seen for myself the progress that you've been making and that we've been honored to support you in doing. One street at a time, one community at a time, promoting peace and planting the seeds for long-term progress. The people of the United States share a stake in your future. So we are proud to join you today in celebrating your past, but more importantly, as we extend to you our best wishes for a happy and safe Independence Day, to send you our strong support, our partnership, and our friendship for all of the years ahead. Thank you very much.